everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to fix YouTube lagging on PC. Now, here are a few things that we can go ahead and do. Well, this really depends on the browser that you are using. So at the moment, I'm using Google Chrome right here. What we need to do in Google Chrome is we need to go ahead and change a few settings that we have. So all we need to do is to click on these three icons on the top right. And then we're going to go into settings right here. Now we're going to go into system right here on the left side. And then we're just going to go ahead and turn off our graphics acceleration when available. That's one way for us to go ahead and fix YouTube from lagging. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is to just go ahead and clear your cache by going into privacy and security right here. And then clicking on clear browsing data. And then just go ahead and click clear right there. This will go ahead and remove all of the cache, and this will hopefully fix your YouTube from lagging. And one final thing is YouTube at the moment is going through this ad blocker crackdown. So that means that it is forcing you to go ahead and turn off or even uninstall your ad blocks, as they want you to go ahead and go through the ads or go ahead and proceed with purchasing a premium subscription of YouTube. So what we can actually do is to go into our settings once again. So right here in our settings, we're going to go into extensions right here. And if you want to go ahead and remove or uninstall your ad block, then you can go ahead and do that by clicking on this. Or you can just go ahead and click on remove right here. Or if you want to keep your ad block, but to turn this off while you're using YouTube, all you need to do is to go into your youtube.com, and then you should be able to see the extensions right here. And then just go ahead and click on ad block right here. And now it is looking at this ad block through this youtube.com, and then just go ahead and click on always right here. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.